So when someone comes in for treatment, we spend a few minutes talking about what's going on in their body, what they're observing as far as their symptoms, what we might be working on, talk a little bit about what's going on in life, their job, their family, how their sleep is, what their diet has been like, if they've changed any activity levels. All of these things wrap up what the appropriate points will be for that person. And the whole time I'm chatting with them, I'm also assessing things like some color shading around their face, maybe the tone of their voice, what the underlying emotion is that they've got for that particular day. Because most people have what we call a constitution, their true self. And even though we do lots of different things in our day and other people may bring out a certain side of us, there's a depth of our original constitution that is really where I'm looking to find the right appropriate points for that person. Because when things are out of balance, that's the part of them that really needs to be treated and tended and strengthened. And that should help alleviate some of the other symptoms that they've got going on in their body. And when everything is strengthened, then things can become more easy in the body and in the life. So after we chat for a few minutes, I'll have them go and sit on the table where I will look at their tongue for a second to see things like shape, color, texture, if there's cracks. There's all sorts of signs on the tongue that I might look at. I will also then have them lay back and I will feel the pulse on both sides of their body. And what I'm feeling for is in 3 different positions on each arm, that corresponds to different organ systems in the body. So I'm looking for a feel of each position and each pulse individually, but then I'm also looking at how all the pulse positions feel together as a whole group, because that shows again something about how the whole body is functioning, not just one particular area. And once I've taken in all that information, then I will choose acupuncture points that I think will best serve them for that particular day, but also for the underlying philosophy of where I'm trying to help them get in either their body or their mind or their emotions and their spirit.